How are we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today we've got for sale this cracking Yamaha MT-09. Mega cool bike is this, looks the business. So this one's a 2014 on a 14 plate and it's done 21,502 miles. Looks like it's been polished more than it's been ridden. Real nice clean bike. So loads of aftermarket bits on it. It's got a full Akrapovic exhaust system. It's got an Ohlins rear shock, Ohlins fork internals. It's got a tail tidy, little seat cowl on the back, moto graphics kit fit as well to protect the paintwork on it. It's got billet everywhere. It's got billet levers. It's got a billet front brake reservoir cap, billet radiator cap as well. Real nice bike this, honestly. It's super clean. It's been remapped by ourselves, so it looks, handles and performs brilliantly. So give it a quick fire up for you. So with these you get power mode and you get ABS and you get all this. I don't think it'll last long, so get yourself down and get it bought or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.